How to watch movies on Discord Mobile with friends. So if you want to watch movies on Discord Mobile with your friends, then first you need to open up your Discord application. And once you open your Discord, now you need to simply go for your server, any server that you are comfortable with. And once you've selected the server, here under the voice channels, you may have general option. You can click on general, or you can also go for launch. And then you need to tap on join voice. And once you've done that, and from here you can share that. You can go for the upper right corner and tap on that icon, and from here you can share your voice, or you can simply go for screen share. If you have screen share option, simply tap on screen share and you can share your screen from your Discord. And once you share your screen, and once your screen is shared, you can go back to your movie, and then you can share your screen and watch movies together with your friends. So that's how you watch movies on Discord Mobile with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.